In this lecture, we will cover our topic Introduction to SQL, MySQL and Xampp. So first of all, very basic question is, what is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language Access and Manipulate Databases. As you know, SQL can use to insert, delete, update, search, and retrieve data from database or execute queries against a database. SQL is considered a fourth generation language. Java and C++ are third generation languages. What is different between third generation languages and fourth generation languages? Fourth generation languages are languages that are closer to human language. For example, it is an instruction, create database DB name. So here DB name is a database name which is closely to human, that create database DB name. And on the other hand, if number modular operator 2 is equal to 0, which is not closely to human language. Xampp stands for cross-platform Apache, MySQL, PHP, Perl. This is an open source platform. Cross-platform means it can be installed on any operating system. The Xampp package includes PHP MyAdmin, which is a free software tool written in PHP. Frequently used operations like managing database can be performed by using the user interface, while you still have the ability to directly execute any SQL statement. Xampp provides MySQL, RDBMS, and Apache. MySQL is an open source RDBMS. My is a data name of co-founder. You know that SQL stands for Structured Query Language. MySQL is a combination of My and SQL. We'll discuss features of MySQL in our next video. Please download Sublime and Xampp server. What is the difference between MySQL and MariaDB? Xampp older versions contain MySQL, which replaced by MariaDB, which is almost same as MySQL. In older versions, Xampp stands for cross-platform Apache, MySQL, PHP and Perl. Replaced with now, Xampp stands for cross-platform Apache, MariaDB, PHP and Perl. Here are the 10 features. So first one is user-friendly. First feature in MariaDB is a free friendly database server. You can easily interact with the MariaDB server using the GUI or SQL statements. So second one is free and open source. As we know that Xampp includes MariaDB developed by Apache friends. It is free and open source. Third one is RDBMS. MariaDB is a relational database management system. Fourth one is SQL compatibility. We can interact with MariaDB database by using SQL for performing operations. So fifth one is secure data. MariaDB also provides data security by using encryption methods. Low cost, because it is a free and open source, there is no cost to license. Seventh one is provides constraints. By using constraints, MariaDB maintains the integrity of the database. 8. High performance and flexibility. MariaDB is faster and more reliable because it can manage almost any amount of data very efficiently. 9th one is compatibility with operating system. We can install Xampp server in any operating system. And last one is rapid application development. So due to all these features, we can develop our applications quickly. Search Xampp and click here. Select according to your operating system. I have downloaded it already. Search Sublime download and click here. Then click here Sublime Text 3. Select according to your operating system and double click here and you can install Xampp. Please wait for it. Skip this message. Click next. Select all the features and click next. I have already installed, so I can skip this process. Okay, and double click here for Sublime installation. Click next and you can install Sublime. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.